Hi, I'm Sneha. So I am basically from Kerala and I had been working as a Mahatma Gandhi National Fellow with the Skill Development Ministry since last 2 years in Kashmir. So after that I was actually looking for a program with a blend of academics and practical component, and actually PPIA came to me as an excellent opportunity. So this has been a really different experience for me because I am posted at the Ministry of Rural Development. Earlier I was working with the district administration. Now coming to national level, it has been a remarkable experience all through these 6 months. I could learn from the top bureaucrats, the TRI colleagues, senior officials from senior colleagues from TRI, also my co-fellows and the mentors. So, and also from first hand, I could witness the policy making and how policies are formulated, how it gets translated to the grassroots level. So overall, it had been a really good experience for me. One thing I would like to say to my friends, especially who are in the earlier stages of their career in development sector, this Praxis program will be an excellent opportunity for you. So it is a right blend of academic rigor and also the practical component. So anybody who is uh, trying to build up a career in policy space, this would be one of the best opportunities you can ever have. This is like, I would describe the cohort more as friends rather than professional colleagues. Because we are having boot camps and all, it gives us a space to come together, know each other, and also that helps us professionally also, because the bond that we have created over here, that helps us actually to communicate regarding our workspace also, any of the problems we are facing. So this has actually given us a good support system that is actually very helpful in the work we are doing. Highest point of time I would describe, one was the first boot camp that we were having. We were coming to a new space, new learnings, getting to know each other, and also the posting. Like when I go to know I'm getting posted at MORD with Rural Livelihood Mission. The initial days of the posting, I was getting to learn not a lot of new things, new experiences. So that was quite interesting. Yeah, academic side has actually added a lot of value to the work I'm doing, because it always helps me to think in a different way. When it is only work or it is only the practical immersion, you just keep on working. Whatever work are coming, you just keep on working. But because academics are there, we write the quarterly reflection papers, so we get an opportunity to do a structured thinking. The whole program is in a phased manner. So the first is about the diagnostic phase, where you be in a system, understand the system, and then you come to finding out a solution to the problem you have identified in the system. So whole program is structured in a very good manner. It has actually helped me to also have the structural thinking all through while I was working.